Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw performance data from Google Ads into Looker Studio, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw performance data from Google Ads into Looker Studio, start by logging into your Google Ads account. Navigate to the campaign or account whose data you wish to analyze. Click on the reports icon in the upper right corner of the interface. Select predefined reports from the drop-down menu to view available data segments. Choose the specific report type you want, such as campaigns, ad groups, or keywords. Customize the report as needed by selecting the desired metrics and date range. Once your report is set up, click on the download icon. Select CSV as your download format to save the report to your computer. Now, open Looker Studio and log into your account. From the Looker Studio homepage, click on Create and then select Report. Choose Add Data to include the downloaded CSV file. Select Upload a file and navigate to the CSV file you previously downloaded. Once uploaded, confirm that the data appears correctly in Looker Studio. Next, you can start creating visualizations by dragging and dropping fields from the data panel. Customize your charts and tables according to your analysis needs. If required, apply filters to refine the data presented. Utilize Looker Studio's features to enhance your report, such as adding text boxes or images. After finalizing your report, check all visual elements for clarity and accuracy. Finally, save and share your Looker Studio report with relevant stakeholders for insights and analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.